Hey everyone, welcome back. My resin is at 91.4 degrees. That's when I took out 30 grams or milliliters for my white. I used 3 drops of casting craft. One of these molds has a funny, and it's brand new. You know, you get them and they're stuck together. And I had actually bought 2 sets. That's this one. I don't know if you can see that. Right here, there's something funny going on. Anyway, I don't know if that's gonna make my bloom lean a certain way. You know, I hate to send it back. I love the molds, I get them often, but I don't think I'm gonna use it today, just cause. Okay, I think I'll put it out of the way for now. I need my little tools to get the bubbles out. Let's see. I'm using Bond Crafter. My stomach is doing it again. I don't know why. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm not hungry. I'm great. I'm amazing. He just makes noises. Sound like I'm starving. All right, blueberry from Decorom. Cherry from Decorom. Are you like, enough with the color? I love it. If my resin will handle it, I'll keep it up. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's do a little individual swirling with the blue. I mean, I might have to do voiceovers so I don't hear, I mean, I hear my own stomach. I'm sure you do too. But I promise I'm fine. Plus my cat's snoring, so I mean a little bit of the both. Okay, if you're gonna torch when you have alcohol inks in, make sure you burn off or blow off the alcohol, you know, them remnants, or you know, you might be like, or you might start a fire. You might go up in flames. And nobody wants that. Okay. Let me find my scissors. I don't know if I was using these blue ones or not. The ones I know, I still haven't went and got scissors. But at least it cut. You know, I think one time I tried and it didn't cut it. So, whoops. Okay, that'll work for it. Bubble right there. And you don't want to go crazy with your torch. You don't want to burn your mold to your resin. Okay, now before I get too ahead of myself, I'm gonna curve in these as I go. So I'll probably, 2 times speed or whatever I can do to maybe skip a little bit of this part. Okay, let's go with the full lines. I'm gonna swerve them if we want. Do straight lines or curvy lines. Let's go to the next one. Aha. See how that's doing that? I don't know. Try to get it in the center. Maybe it's my plastic thing is not even. That is a possibility. And at least if I fast forward it, you won't hear my stomach going crazy. Plus, my house is super quiet right now. Okay, I'm gonna make this one line and then I'll. I better quit messing around. I feel like I'm slower than molasses. Slower than molasses, Amy. I can do them lines later. Let's get this going. That big old blob right there. Ooh. And I also like to do single petals all the way out. But since I've got 3 going, if I ever do like 1 at a time, I'll take my time and do it that way. But I mean, I rarely do 1 at a time. How much ever resin I feel like mixing up is usually what I do. I didn't leave myself a lot of room. So some of these might not get one. Oh, goodness gracious. See, this one, the blue and the red overtook everything. Darn it, that was not the plan. Goodness, that was a mess. I am gonna pull in a little bit, right to where I did the single lines. Try to do it gently. Yeah, I did that one on purpose, that blue one. Something dropped in there already, darn it. Ugh. I can't get it. What the heck? Oh, I think I got it. This is my version of a red, white, and bloom for Independence Day. If you watch my videos, you know I absolutely love them. I love blooms. Sweet, man. Okay. I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. I'll let these cure up and put it back on them. I don't know if I'll come back. I'll see, I need to add something here. Just because I don't know if that's gonna, what that's gonna do. Here too, I don't know. All right. I'm gonna let that do its thing, and we'll see you soon, guys. Okay, let's take a look at these. Oh, they're not ready. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. Red, white, and bloom. Nice. You gotta be gentle with these molds because, you know, they bow very easy. These ones are thicker and heavier duty. I love it. Beautiful. Of course I rushed these. I could have let them cure longer. But they'll finish while they're just sitting there. Beautiful. Nice. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Here's my red, white, and blooms. I love them. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll get these pictures posted, and I appreciate each and every one of you so very much. See you later.